Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Color Spa Lights. The IntelliBrite 5G Color Spa Light uses a combination of mixed and matched individual LED bulbs to achieve a vibrant spectrum of colors. The IntelliBrite 5G Color Spa Light features 5 colors along with 7 color shows for customizable entertainment. Built with a unique reflector for even light distribution, the Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Color Spa Light enhances hot tub relaxation and is compatible with IntelliTouch and EasyTouch control systems. It is brighter and uses less energy than the previous 5G lights. Features: running on 120-volt and 18-watt, 100-foot cord and a durable stainless steel face ring, using 82% less electricity than halogen and incandescent pool lights. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.